9436 Oxford Wine Court. As you can see, this is supposed to be grass, but it's all dead, so it's a good opportunity to change that over to rock. We are in a cul-de-sac on the end. This is an open door property, so they usually do a lot of cosmetic things to the property before putting it on the market. And it looks like this garage and the trim is freshly painted. It appears to be anyway. This property is prettier in person than I expected, just based off of the photos online. So we have tile at the entry and wrapping all the way around to the kitchen and an eat-in area. There's carpet in the living area. Countertops look great. As you can see, we need a fridge. Cabinets have a little bit of wear. Range looks very nice. The cabinets are a Jenny call. They might just need to be cleaned. We'll see what Jenny says. Oh. So the same tile comes through to the laundry room, which leads to the garage. So we have some extra storage space on the far end, which is nice. We need window treatment, so we'll count the windows. 1, 2. Concrete in place with some pavers. We have grass back here too, so might need to get some rock installed. This is one of the more private backyards. High walls. The two-story next to us doesn't have any windows directly facing us. This home does, but we don't have neighbors, especially two-story neighbors, that are sort of breaching our space. So that's nice, especially here in Vegas. Beautiful tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4 windows downstairs and 1 vertical. Carpet is new. So 5 windows. Upgraded light fixture. Jenny may or may not require blinds over there. We'll see. We'll just go ahead and count 6. Ooh, this is a very large room. 7 plus the arch. Okay, these cabinets probably need to be repainted. Yes, we definitely need a window cover in here. Okay, the light's burnt out in here. So it's fresh paint and new carpet. So there's not a lot going on, which is easy. Upgraded light fixtures. These cabinets may need to be painted as well. This flooring looks good. I'm not sure how good the quality is though, so this may have to be changed to tile at some point in the future, but it looks really great right now. Laminate counters in good condition. This room's slightly larger. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One thing that's nice is the doors throughout the home, they all have the raised panels and they're all in good condition. It has a lock on it. We don't like having locks on the door handles. But other than that, it's a really beautiful home in good condition.